Hey, what's up, everybody? Let's have a little conversation, right, quickly about just some various technique practice and warm ups. I'm gonna get back into doing some commissions, and so I went and it's been a while since I've done some traditional art because I've been busy working on stuff. But here I did some color pencil on this is basic copy paper, so it has this like you can see this toothy texture, really toothy. This is Strathmore 400. This is stuff that Alex Ross paints on. And this is a cross between. I did a quick sketch. Never mind this. This is a little dinosaur. It's funny. But like I drew like a 5 minutes, right? It's just like something to draw as quickly as possible. Inked it with red wine Copics, right? And then I went into here in the black areas. I marked in with red pencil, and then I went and did those with this Rohrer V69 Copic marker. So it's all inked with red ink, and then I went and added all the blacks, and that allowed me to like leave spots open to make it. It's kind of like an underpainting, right? Same technique you do in painting. Just did it here with marker, but this way I could add glows and stuff like that. Kind of just practice that, and then on this surface because it's Bristol 400 series Bristol, I can do watercolor on it, right, and the color pencil. So this is watercolor, color pencil, and then some. I've added some white gouache to the watercolor to add opaque little paint textures and colors over. Like this is some gouache mix right there. Uh, as you can see, this is some gouache, and there's color pencil texture. That's a mixed media bit. So I'm trying to find something that's a little. I just like scribbly stuff. I like things that aren't so perfect, when I'm making art for commissions or for fun. So I'm just practicing like that process. I'm not really a trained painter or even a mixed media artist, like just kind of self-taught. So I've just been practicing with that. Like this is a little test I did on. This is the marker paper I tend to do just color pencils on. So because this is just some quick scribbles, working in blacks and that little technique with the under markers. You can see that's the basic red wine right there, and then blacks and stuff. And then this is another quick test I did. This is some thicker hammer mill. It's laser paper, 200. Oh no, was it 200 or 100 pound? 100 pound cover stock. And this is what I did the Sandman and the Death commissions on. And that actually gives you more of a smooth. It's more of a it it smoothens out the color pencils. So, but it doesn't take water at all. Like it will not do that. You can do markers. That's some marker right there. But I'm trying to find like I like markers on tonal paper, which I can show you quickly here. Let me show you like this was this Batman I did a little marker piece on, and then a while back last year I did a commission for a family. They didn't want the original. They just wanted a high res photo. It's weird. So this is a marker on tonal paper. So family portrait I did, little caricature portrait. So I just kept it, just for reference. So and you could see here like this is marker, and then over that I added a little bit of color pencil. You can do some color pencil on tonal paper, but it's kind of pretty basic. You can't really add a ton. But skin tones on the tonal paper look brilliant. I really love the way it looks. So I don't know, just it's one of those things where anytime I get started to get back into this, like I kind of need to go back through the motions. If you ever do that, if you're ever like, hey, how come it isn't so easy just to get bang out of fucking commissions and be done with it? Well, I mean, I like to think we're all growing, like as artists, we're still growing. And so being able to do like full mixed media painted with color pencils and something, you know, I don't know, something that's more, I don't know, I don't know, artsy. It's a dream, right? And I mean, I'm not getting any younger, but I work at it, day by day, day by day. So just thought I'd share with you some of the thought process and the experimentation that I do. I don't really show a lot of this, but I always do this whenever I kind of get back in the groove, and experiment and get back. And this is you can see this is some of that gouache on the tonal. This is tonal mixed media paper, so it's more like a cardboard. But I don't know, man. Like, I don't know. It's too much trouble. So, yeah. If you have any questions or tips or comments y'all want to have a conversation about, just let me know. But I just thought I'd share some of the process. Talk to you later. Peace.